Hey friends, if you wish to fix error code 0xc0000005 on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is a system restore. Search for recovery in the Windows search bar and go to recovery. Click on Open System Restore, choose a different restore point next, choose a good restore point next, finish, and finally click on Yes. And the last one is to update Windows. So right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab and click on Check for Updates in the right pane. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.